You guys have to see this. Alright, good morning guys. Today we are doing Snowland, which is an extension of Triant. But before we get going, I'm making us some breakfast so that we are not hungry. I'm making us eggs and toast, and I'm making myself tea because I'm really tired. Alright, so we're beginning, and it's the crappy stairs as always. So let's just get it done with. We're still on the hill upstairs. It just keeps going and going. We have another American with us today. He's from California. He just waved hello. Okay, we're almost to the halfway point. We're almost to the chai shop that I always go to when I come up here. I try to hike to the halfway point a couple times a week just for good exercise. We're waiting for Kabir. Poor guy's not feeling too good. We stayed up really late last night. It was the owner of his hostel's birthday. So hopefully he makes it. Poor guy. He's somewhere over here on one of these hills. But we'll keep hiking for now. Alright, so we just stopped at the chai shop, which has like really good authentic masala chai. So when I hike up here during the week time to the halfway point, this is where I come sit, and this is the view. There are a bunch of goats grazing in front of us today, and a bunch of baby ones down below at these homes down here. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but they're being really noisy, but they're really, really cute. And this is the chai shop that we're hanging out at. Alright, we're off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm tired today. Like, my legs are feeling it. We're about 45 minutes out from the top of Triant, and then from the top of Triant it's about another hour and a half. I'm excited because at the top of Triant there's really amazing rajma chawal, which is like the beans and rice I was eating in the last Triant video, and I will surely be getting rajma chawal again because I love it. But we're on our way. The boys are up ahead.
Friends in around me all the time.
Hi, handsome boy. Alright, we're almost to the top. We're getting really close. I'm super excited. My legs are feeling it. But I'm really excited to see Snowline. And I really hope that there is a really good view of the peak today. I think there will be right now because it's so sunny out. The last time I was videoing right here, there was like a sea of fog. So this time you guys are able to see quite a bit more as we're hiking up. And I think once we get to the top, there'll be a really good view of Moon Peak. And hopefully from Snowland, it'll get even better. You guys have to see this. It's completely clear today. And oh my god. Oh, damn. It's amazing. Alright, I just ate cookies. And now we are on our way to hike up to Snowline. It's about another hour to hour and a half. And we have such a clear view. It's amazing. safe to say we're all slowing down quite a bit. Everyone's legs are feeling it. He's gonna get some water. Clouds are coming in really heavy, which makes us kind of sad because at the top we want to see the whole range, the mountains. So I really hope we can. This view is so amazing. Like, damn. And to think I can hike up here from my house. Like, we hiked from my front door this morning and it's like a 3-hour hike. So cool. Okay, we're headed back down. It's really lovely out and the temperature is really, really good. I just almost fell off the mountain. Not really, but almost. And a minute before that, Kabir almost pushed me off the mountain on accident. So, doing pretty good. Alright, we're finally at the shop with Rajma Chawal. And this is what it looks like. Last time I couldn't show you guys. But it's like rice and beans and it's spicy, which I love because I'm from Pueblo and I love spicy food. So I'm super happy to finally have Rajma Chawal again. And it's been sunny and lovely. All the clouds came in really thick, but we just got down from Snowlion and we're back up on Trian now. And then we're gonna head down a separate route this time that goes into Bagsu instead of the route that we took up here. So that'll be new for you guys as well. It's a different route than I took the last time we did this. So I'm excited to try that one because that's the route that I tried to take 3 years ago and it didn't work out because of the hail. So I'll show you guys that as we go down. So far, I really like this route. We stay up a lot higher than you do in the other route, so I imagine at some point it'll drop down quite a bit. But up here, it's really lovely. You get to be alongside the peak the whole time. And you just get to go through these beautiful green fields, and no one's up here. So we lost the trail a little bit because this way is definitely much less marked than the other way up. Most of the trail looks like this, so it doesn't really look like a trail. And so it's really easy to get lost over here. There's these huts that you hike by, and I think that's where we lost the trail. So we're gonna hike back to the huts and then hopefully find the trail from there. Alright, I think we found the trail, hopefully. There's two, and I think we're on the right one. Well, they think we're on the right one, and I'm gonna trust them because it does look like the right one. Definitely looks more like a trail now. Bagsu waterfall, and that means we're really close to home. I'm ready to be home, honestly. I'm tired. My knees really hurt from the downhill, but regardless, it's good to be here. We're supposed to be coming down from Trian. We're still just going up. Oh, my legs are so tired. Just up, 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 up. If we had taken the other route, it would have gone down straight to our house. But we took the Bogsu waterfall route, which is super killer. So definitely worth it. Oh my god. My legs are tired, guys. I'm tired. You tired?
Hell yes.
Yeah, he's tired. Alright. We just reached home. I cannot tell you how tired we are. Oh my god. My legs are on fire. We don't even really have food at the house, so at some point we have to leave our house again to go get dinner. And because we live up here, we have to hike down or up to get food from anywhere. Like I'm kind of considering not eating. We're so tired. Okay, we're gonna shower. Pretty sure nice and full of sweat and dirt. I really hope the power works right now. Last time we did Tran, the power went out right when we tried to take a shower. But anyway, as always guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it if you want, and subscribe. And we will see you next time.